I would say I'll cut a cactus in half and drink the inside.
Yeah, Tom.
I would go to a caddis and cut a pet.
What's up, man?
Oh my.
You good? You just gonna look at me like a fucking weirdo?
Why so serious?
Normally you're supposed to speak when you're spoken to. Like when somebody says hello to you, you're supposed to be like, yo, what up? How you doing, my nigga? Da, 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 da. Instead, it's just like you just go stare at me like you got fucking autism.
Good morning.
Get that kick. Easy. There we go.
How you doing? How you doing？狗大操的！
你好，
你好，哎你好，哎你好，哎你好，哎你好，哎你好。
Oh my god.
I wish we were back in LA.
Yeah.
This nigga's ugly. This is shit.
Oh my
Hello.
god. Yo,
his
my
head is
face.
shaped like a bee. Look at that.
Fuck, he's getting pegged.
Snoop Dogg.
No, ma'am.
Oh snap.
Ew.
I fell backwards, and this dude goes, "Bah!" And then I fell, and he goes, "Sadie, good boy,
Ew, it's ugly.
good boy."
What the fuck? Yeah, chase me, you little bitch. What is that? Skibbity. I'm gonna crash.
Gavin, build.
Faggot. Well, you gotta heal the chest. You gotta heal the chest.
Oh, kids.
And bot. Hey, you fucking idiot. I didn't have a golden shotgun.
Yeah, I don't know why the fuck she got in this pose, but I'm just gonna use this one.
God, if she's ugly, Daniel.
I don't know, nigga. That's what she would have had on it. Don't I didn't put that. That's what she had. What, my nigga?
Daniel.
What? What? Oh, I'm scared. What?
Delete that shit right now, Daniel. Delete that shit right now, Daniel.
Hit delete.
Maybe.
Wait, I have aura. I'm about to be able to see it. About to do stuff. I'm dead! I'm dead!
Where did this guy got a shot
Yeah, I'm
from?
alive.
Alright, I wanna be Jet.
I'm already bashed in. Oh shit, wrong game.
I
I'm
have
just gonna
to.
get out. No.
I have to.
I guess I'm just gonna play with fucking Jiggly Sausage. Oh, senor.
This guy's the GOAT.
Is this guy dumb? Wait, the thing. Oh, right. He said res.
Let's play box fights.
Nigga, I'm not doing box fights right now.
Just one!
No.
Yes!
Ready up.
Box fights. You ready up?
There's no skill in box fights, bro. On God, there's not.
I needed some with some bop. Let's go. I'm on the.
That was not James Bond.
What the? You just.
46.
You did not have two, buddy.
130. 46 and 130. 46. Oh shit! Let's get back!
I'm
Get
over
him,
here
Bucky!
flipping it. I'm over here hitting trick shots.
Oh my god! Water pump, bitch. Oh wait, we rematch him?
No, these are two different kids. Ooh.
You see how I
Oh
ducked
my
that?
god! You're season 0, goddammit. Oh, thank you very much.
What?
I'm gonna drink it.
Oh, fucking Nick. The fuck up.
I blame it on Bad Boy. This is all your fault, Bad Boy.
Why is it my phone, nigga?
Oh, he called you the L word.
What the? How did he get in the box?
Who's in my cyber truck, man?
Hold on, guys, I'm dabbing.
I didn't though.
Where did this guy come from? Say I'm down.
Yo, I've already said that shit.
How? Bro, this is the second guy.
How are you gonna ask me to make cookies when you know you ate the chocolate chips?
I guess I ate them.
You know you did. You
Put that on God.
Oh, they had shotgun me, you numbwit. Well, shotgun me too. Glory without
Holy shit! Me! No! Help! Move, fat bitch! Move, you fat fuck!
Kids. I hate myself.
Are you brain dead?
Unemployed people when it comes to being named Victor.
You thought that was gonna work, Muddy? Well, look at you now.
Yeah, see? So you jump off here and then you go over there.
I'm scared.
No, it actually works. I can't do it because I don't have the climbing sheet. You just gotta land on that part right there. Not even trolling. I'm not trolling. You can actually do it. Try it.
No, I'm gonna die.
I'm not trolling. Try it.
Spike down A. Last player standing.
We're so dead, but it's okay.
Why would you?
Yo guys, watch this lineup. I'm so good at this game. I have all the lineups memorized. Watch this.
I'm literally second.
Guys, you guys watching this? You guys watching this? I got this, guys. I'm so happy.
Area.
Right here. There you are, you little shit.
What the hell?